Hey there, guitarists! Tuning your guitar is an essential skill every guitarist should master. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, having a properly tuned guitar ensures your playing sounds its best. In this 3-minute guide, I'll show you how to tune your guitar using a tuner, by ear, and with a tuning app. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the strings. A standard guitar has 6 strings, each tuned to a specific pitch. From the lowest, thickest string to the highest, thinnest string, the standard tuning is E, low E, 6th string, A, 5th string, D, 4th string, G, 3rd string, B, 2nd string, E, high E, 1st string. Remembering the string names can be tricky, so here's a fun mnemonic to help. Elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Step 2. Using a tuner. The easiest way to tune a guitar is by using an electronic tuner. You can find tuners as standalone devices, clip-ons, or even apps for your phone. Here's how to use a tuner. Turn on the tuner and pluck the 6th string, low E. The tuner will display the note that is closest to what you're playing. If it says E but the needle is to the left, the string is flat, too low. If it's to the right, it's sharp, too high. Adjust the tuning pegs. Turn the tuning peg for that string slowly. If the note is flat, tighten the string. Turn the peg clockwise. If it's sharp, loosen the string. Turn the peg counterclockwise. Repeat for each string, starting from the low E to the high E. Step 3. Tuning by ear, using a reference. If you don't have a tuner, you can still tune your guitar by ear. Here's a simple way using another instrument or tuning fork. Tune the 6th string, low E, to a reference note, such as a piano or another instrument. Make sure the note matches exactly. Now the 5th fret method. Press the 5th fret on the 6th string. This should give you an A note. Tune the open 5th string, A, to match that pitch. Next, press the 5th fret on the 5th string, D note, and tune the open 4th string, D, to match. Do the same for the 4th string 5th fret G note to tune the open 3rd string. For the 3rd string, press the 4th fret B note to tune the open 2nd string, B. Finally, press the 5th fret on the 2nd string, E note, to tune the open 1st string, high E. Step 4. Using a tuning app. If you don't have a physical tuner, there are plenty of free and paid apps available that can help you tune your guitar. Popular apps like Guitar Tuna or Fender Tune are user-friendly and accurate. Here's how to tune with an app. Open the app and allow microphone access so it can detect the sound of your guitar. Pluck each string individually and adjust the tuning peg based on the app's feedback, similar to an electronic tuner. The app will guide you in real time to help you get each string to the right pitch. Step 5. Check the intonation. After tuning, play a few chords to ensure everything sounds right. Sometimes, even if the strings are tuned properly, the guitar might not sound in tune. This could be due to intonation issues, which happen if the string length is off. In this case, you may need to adjust your guitar's intonation, which can be done by adjusting the bridge or consulting a professional guitar technician. Conclusion. Tuning a guitar is a crucial step before playing, whether you're practicing or performing. By using an electronic tuner, tuning by ear, or using a tuning app, you'll ensure your guitar always sounds great. Make it a habit to tune your guitar every time you play to keep your music in perfect harmony. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and happy strumming.